A very good morning to all my dear children. This is your English teacher. Welcomes you all in the online teaching classes. My dear children, in today's class, we will start a new lesson. Lesson number 6, a game. My dear children, this lesson, a game, as the name, it is a very interesting lesson, and I hope you all will enjoy learning this. This chapter, a game, is about a game passing the parcel, which is played by some children in a birthday party. The main character of this lesson, a game, is Sarah, whose birthday is being celebrated in this lesson. My dear children, from this lesson, a game, you will learn to play a new game, that is passing the parcel. Many of you might be knowing about this game, and you might also be knowing that it is a very interesting and funny game, and you like this game. You can also play this passing the parcel in your birthday party with your friends and with your relatives. Today we will play this game with Sarah and with her friends in her birthday party. So let's go to the Sarah's birthday party and start our lesson. Lesson number 6, a game. Today is Sarah's birthday. Sarah is 7 years old. She has invited her friends to her birthday party. So, children, it is Sarah's birthday today. Sarah is a little girl and she is 7 years old. And as you invite your friends, your relatives, your neighbors to your birthday party, so Sarah has also invited all her friends to her birthday party. She is very happy and excited, obviously, because it is her birthday today. It is her day. All the children are wearing birthday caps. Sarah is wearing a lovely green frock. So, children, Sarah is wearing a new dress, a lovely, beautiful green frock. When it is your birthday, you also wear new dress, isn't it? I wear new dress in my birthday. So, Sarah is also wearing a new, beautiful, lovely green frock. And her friends and Sarah are wearing birthday caps. You can see in the picture all the children wishing Sarah happy birthday, balloons. So it looks like a birthday party. There is a cake on the table. Shall I cut the cake, Mama? Asked Sarah. Yes, dear, you may, says her mother. Now it is a birthday party, so cake must be there. Cake is also ready on the table. And Sarah is also ready. All her friends are also there. Sarah's mother is also there. So Sarah is very excited to cut the cake. She asked her mother, Mama, shall I cut the cake? And her mother gave her permission. Yes, dear, you may cut the cake. Now Sarah is ready to cut the cake. Sarah blows out the candles and cuts the cake. All the children wish Sarah a very happy birthday. Then they give her many presents. So, children, can you see in the picture? Sarah ready to cut the cake with her mother and with her friends. But, children, before cutting the cake, what you do? Yes, you blows out the candles first. Sarah also did the same thing. Sarah first blows out the candles and then she cuts the cake. And after cutting the cake, what we do? We sing a birthday song and we wish happy birthday. So, all the friends of Sarah wish Sarah a very happy birthday. And now it's giving presents time. All the friends of Sarah gave her many presents. Sarah was very happy after getting so many presents. Obviously, if you will get so many presents, you will also become very happy. So, after cutting the cake and after wishing Sarah happy birthday, all the friends gave Sarah many presents. Sarah was very happy. She was enjoying her birthday. The children eat cakes, chips and ice creams. Then they go into the garden to play. Let's play passing the parcel, says Sarah. After cutting the cake, the children had some snacks. What they ate? They ate cakes, chips and ice creams. Now it's game time. After cutting the cake, after eating the snacks, now they went to the garden to play some games because birthday party is not yet over. Without game, it is incomplete. So, all the friends of Sarah went to the garden to play some game. Let's play passing the parcel, says Sarah. So, which game they decided to play, children? Sarah told them to play the game that is passing the parcel. Let's know more about this game. The children are sitting in a circle. Neeru is playing the mouth organ and the children are passing the parcel around. Neeru stops playing the mouth organ. Where is the parcel now? So, children, in this game, passing the parcel, all the children are sitting in a circle. And Neeru, one of friend of Sarah, she decided to play the mouth organ. And when Neeru start to play the mouth organ, all the children also start to pass the parcel around themselves. When Neeru stops playing the mouth organ, The other children, those who are sitting in a circle and passing the parcel around themselves, also stopped to pass the parcel. Now, the parcel has to be in somebody's hand. Where is the parcel now? It is in Anup's hand. He picks up a card from a box. He is reading it. Hop like a frog, it says. So, when Niru stopped playing the mouth organ, the parcel was in Anup's hand. So, Anup has to do some task. So, he picked up a card from the box. And in that card, what was written, children? It was written, hop like a frog. It means Anup has to do the acting of a frog. How a frog does? A frog jumps. So Anup has to hops like a frog. It is very funny and interesting task. All the children are laughing and clapping because if you see any of your friend hopping like a frog, obviously you will feel very happy and it will make you laugh. All the children laughed and clapped at Anup. Again, Niru is playing the mouth organ. The parcel is going around. Niru stops playing. Now Mona has the parcel. She picks up a card. It says, crawl like a baby. Now, children, after Anup performing his task, hops like a frog, the game again started and Niru again start to play the mouth organ and the children also started to pass the parcel around themselves. When Niru stopped playing the mouth organ, children also stopped to pass the parcel. The parcel has to be in somebody's hand. This time, the parcel is in Mona's hand and Mona has to do the task. It was Mona's chance now. She picks up a card. It says, crawl like a baby. And Mona, when she picked up a card, what was written in her card? It was written, crawl like a baby. It means Mona has to do the acting of a baby. You know how a baby does? Baby crawls. Now, Mona is crawling like a baby and everyone is laughing. So, children, Mona started to crawl like a baby and it was very funny and interesting. If you see any of your friend crawling like a baby or doing the acting of a baby, it will make you laugh and you will feel happy and it seems very funny. So, all the children were enjoying this game. First, Anup got the parcel. He got the task of hopping like a frog. Second, Mona got the parcel and she has to crawl like a baby. It is a really interesting and funny game. Now, the game has again started. Niru is playing the mouth organ again. Now, Niru again started to play the mouth organ. So, children, can you see in the picture all the children sitting in a circle and Niru playing the mouth organ? You can see the faces of the children. They looks very happy and they are enjoying the game. This time, when she stops playing, Sarah has the parcel. Sarah picks up a card and reads it. It says, "Sing a song." So, children, after Anup and Mona, this time again the game has started, and when Neeru stopped playing the mouth organ, the children also stopped to pass the parcel. And this time the parcel was in whose hand? Can you guess? Yes, the parcel is in Sarah's hand, and Sarah has to do some task. Sarah picks up a card and reads it. It says, "Sing a song." So Sarah has to do what work? She has to sing a song. Sarah was very happy because she has to do singing. Now Neeru is playing the mouth organ and Sarah is singing a song. All the children are clapping. So, children, Sarah started singing and Neeru is helping her by playing the mouth organ. All the children are very happy because they are enjoying the game. They are really having a very good time. It was a very good time for Sarah also because this game has made them very happy. Come inside, children. I have a surprise for all of you, says Sarah's mother. All the children go inside. Then Sarah's mother called all the children to come inside the house. Children, all the children were playing game in a garden, and Sarah's mother told them to come inside the house because she is having some surprise for all the children. All the children were very happy to know that they have some surprise for them. They went inside the house. Sarah's mother gives them a small parcel each. There is a gift for everyone, she says. Thank you, Auntie, they say. So, children, when Sarah's mother called all the children to come inside the house as she is having some surprise for them, all the children became more happy. So they all went inside the house, and there Sarah's mother gave them a small parcel each, and in that small parcel there is a gift for everyone. So all the children became very happy to get the gift. They told Sarah's mother, "Thank you, Auntie." The children are happy. They are now going home. Good night. Thank you for the lovely party. They say, "Thanks for coming. Good night," says Sarah. After receiving the gifts from Sarah's mother, all the children become very happy. They told Sarah's mother thank you, and they also said them Sarah and her mother good night and thank you for the lovely party they had. Sarah also told them thank you and good night for coming. So, children, it was really very good time for Sarah and for her friends because It was a very nice, interesting birthday party. Let us revise the lesson once again. This is a lesson about a birthday party in which Sarah and her friends played a new game, passing the parcel. Sarah is a girl and she is celebrating her 7th birthday today. After cutting the cake and receiving presents, Sarah and her friends went to the garden to play some games. In the garden, Sarah and her friends decided to play a game that is passing the parcel. In this game, all the children has to sit in a circle and one child has to play some mouth organ or to play music, and the children has to pass the parcel around them. In Sarah's birthday party, all the children are sitting in a circle and Niru decided to play the mouth organ. Firstly, Anup got the parcel, so he got the chance to do the task. And what task Anup has to do? Anup has to hop like a frog. All the children enjoyed. Second, Mona got the parcel and she has to crawl like a baby. Mona crawled like a baby and everyone is laughing. And thirdly, Sarah got the parcel. And what task she has to do? She has to sing a song. And Niru helped her by playing the mouth organ. All the children were very happy and they are really enjoying this game, passing the parcel, and they enjoyed the whole birthday party because this game made the birthday party more interesting and made them all very happy. After playing the game, Sarah's mother gave all the children a small parcel each, and in that parcel there was a gift for everyone. All the children became more happy after getting the gifts. Sarah and her friends told each of them good night and they went to their home. It was really a very nice day for Sarah and for her friends. So, my dear children, I hope you have also enjoyed Sarah's birthday party. You can also include this game passing the parcel in your birthday party. Read the lesson twice at your home. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.